This 2026 Forest River Grand Surveyor 305 RLBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, refrigerator, water heater, TV, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Grand Surveyor 305 RLBS is 8,891 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.